Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the modal verb CA and can. Can indicates capacity. Generally, we use the modal verb can in order to indicate possibility or ability. If you take the structure subject plus can plus V1 plus object plus phrase, we can communicate some actions which are related to capacity or ability. Most of the times can should be used to indicate possibility or ability. Now let us see some examples which are related to the modal verb can can. I can speak in English. I can do this work. I can handle this task. I can reach there on time. In such a way, you can use subject plus can plus verb 1 plus object plus phrase. Here, verb 1 comes after the modal verb V1. Whenever you take any modal verb, after the modal verb, first form of the verb should be used, which is in the present tense. And if you take some other case, that means we use can again in order to express permission or request. Suppose if you take some examples which are related to permission or request. Can you speak in English? Question mark. Can you do this work? Question mark. Can I go there? Question mark. Can you help me in this regard? Question mark. In such a way, we use the modal verb in order to express the request or permission. Generally, while using the modal verb in order to express the request or permission, it will be used in informal way. Generally, while taking permission, in formal way, we have to take the modal verb may. But instead of may, here we are taking can while taking permissions or while requesting others. Okay, can is used to express our intention regarding request and permission in informal way. Okay, in my next session I shall explain you about the modal verb may, how to use that modal verb in formal way. Most of the times if you take spoken English, regarding spoken English, most of the people use can in order to take permission and in order to request others. That is informal way, but it can be used in spoken English. But in formal way, may can be used. The modal verb may can be used to communicate with others. Okay. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.